Hello everyone and everything somewhere out there. Kakanta ko ng One of Us by Joan Osborne. At yung instrumental ko na gagamitin ito lang, harmonica. Or rather the name is cylindro, no? Harmonica. Ito yung gagamitin ko. If God has a name, what would it be, and would you call it to his face? If you were faced with him and all his glory, what would you ask if you had just one question? Yeah, God is good. Yeah, God is great. Yeah. What if God was one of us? Just as love like one of us. Just a stranger and the bus trying to make us way home. It's trying to make us way home. Thank you so much mga idol. Thank you for watching. God bless. Enjoy.